Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to connect Rode Wireless Me mic with my iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's very simple process to connect this Rode Wireless Me. I just purchased last week and now in this video I will show you how to connect. It's very simple. Inside the Rode mic box, they are providing C to C type lightning cable, and one is a transmitter and one is a receiver. So I just simply connect this cable from the receiver, and second port I put it here in 15 Pro Max like this, and after that I can very easily connect this device. Now I will start this mic and you can receive which types of voice we are receiving after connecting this device. Currently you are receiving the voice with Rode Wireless Me Pro mic voice, and definitely this voice clarity is a fantastic. If you are a YouTuber and you want looking some decent mic, so this is not so expensive, just only 12 to 13,000 INR or $125 price of this Rode Mic Pro Me. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.